Hello, welcome to this another video. In this video I want to show you how to reprint your acknowledgement receipt. If you recently filed your KRA returns but you are not able to reprint your acknowledgement receipt, this is how you do it. It is very simple and I'm going to show you step by step. Hand over to your iTax portal, click the first link, and the link is going to direct you to the KRA iTax portal. Enter your KRA PIN, after you enter your KRA PIN, click continue, enter your password, make sure the password is correct, and if you don't remember the password, I also made a video on how to recover your KRA password. So for now, let me enter my KRA PIN password. Like that. Then I will enter the security stamp, which is that 1 plus 6, which is that 37. Then click login, and you can see I am successfully logged into my iTax account. And assuming I had filed my KRA returns but I was not able to print the acknowledgement receipt to show that I have filed my returns, this is how I won't reprint it. Head over to this top right corner to the menu called useful links. From the drop down, go down up to this area, consult and reprint acknowledgement receipt and certificate. Click. After you go down to the this area, business process, select and click taxpayer return processing. On the business sub process, select original return filings, like that. Then obligation name, select your tax obligation. In this case I'm going to select income tax resident individual. Click. Then I'm going to fill in the tax period from to tax period 2. So here you input the tax period that you filed the KRA returns. Okay, and as you can see, it is from 1st January 2024 to 31st December 2024. Then I'll just click consult. The system is going to say, do you want to consult with the given details? I'll click OK, and then I scroll down, and as you can see here, I have my acknowledgement receipt that I can just reprint it. So I'll just click, and just like that, the acknowledgement receipt has been downloaded.